Good morning and happy Friday! Lucas wanted to start the morning off
But I'm in jail.
in jail. No, Lucas wanted to start the morning off by watching some Star Wars. So we turned Star Wars on so he can watch most of it before he has to go to school.
But I just dropped a can on my foot today.
And he dropped something from the pantry on his foot. But it's got a R2-D2 band-aid on it. You gonna be okay?
Uh-huh.
You practicing?
Yeah,
I like your hat.
practicing. I'm trying to make music. Daddy. Do you like that better?
I like it.
Bye, y'all. Ellie, you be the singer. I'll be the singer. Ellie, keep singing. Sing. Sing.
You gonna dance? Oh.
Oh.
Did you hit your head? Come kiss. Kiss. Thank you. And just like that, my Friday is practically over. My mom is here. She's here to watch the kids. Sarah's got her long day. Now I'm off to work.
Woohoo! I got off early today. So what am I gonna do with my extra time? Laundry. The kids are with Kyle's parents. I guess there was a special request from Lucas to go to McDonald's tonight. So they're over there playing. I'm waiting here for them, just getting some things done. And then my sister and brother are actually gonna be spending the night over here tonight. So I'm gonna be going to get them, and then it'll be bedtime after that. Who's that ringing my doorbell?
Me.
Hi.
We didn't.
Cookie, who's home?
Let me ring the doorbell.
Flowers.
Dog. Dog.
Here under the authority of General Hux. You are here under the authority of me.
Cat and Pete are here. Hey. Peter's downstairs playing a video game, but Cat and I are trying to find a chick flick to watch on Netflix.